You're not tired because you're lazy. You're tired because your brain is doing the job of 5 people every single day. You're managing a business, a household, relationships, responsibilities, and still expected to be creative, strategic, and emotionally available. And somehow, you're supposed to do it without help. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Not as a gimmick, as your digital backup brain. And I'm not talking about writing emails, I mean the real stuff. Coming up with dinner ideas that don't take an hour. Rewriting your service menu so it sounds luxury and clear. Naming a new digital product or offer you haven't had time to brand. Figuring out how to say no professionally when someone's pushing boundaries. Creating a bedtime story on the spot because your child suddenly wants one. Writing a thoughtful message for someone going through something heavy. Turning the chaos in your mind into a clear weekly game plan. Drafting a list of boundaries you want to start setting with clients. Creating a full launch schedule. Timeline, promo content, hooks, asking, how do I explain this better, and actually getting an answer that helps. This isn't about pretending to be perfect. It's about not letting the pressure steal your power. ChatGPT helps you think, organize, plan, and protect your energy so you can stop running on fumes and start moving in peace. Let it help you. You don't have to prove your worth through exhaustion.